Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a modern farmhouse kitchen. But first, I will talk a bit about kitchen trends for 2025. There's loads of new trends, but I made the list of the ones that I think will be the most popular this year. First of all, natural materials. They will continue to be at the top of the list this year again. Stone, like marble and granite, and sustainably sourced wood like oak and walnut will dominate in 2025. Bespoke kitchens are a big trend. More people want unique designs and a possibility to add personal touches. Textures, fluted and ribbed panels, reeded glass combined with natural materials, earthy tones, bold splashbacks. Dark beige might become a new white. Open shelvings are also making a strong statement and will add aesthetic visual interest. Rounded cabinets are still big. Stainless steel and chrome are still very popular this year, especially when combined with natural materials for modern warm industrial feel. Now, let's start to design a modern farmhouse kitchen. In this kitchen design, I won't be using the Create New Product tool only. I will combine the Create New Product tool with our ready-to-go kitchen cabinet fronts. First, I will go to Catalog and I will add to my shortlist the cabinet shutters that I want to use. Now I will switch to 3D and with the Create New Product tool, I will create the base for my kitchen. First, I will create a rectangle. I will give it a depth, which will be the height of our kitchen. Now I will measure out the corner kitchen. I can use either a ruler tool and trace over it, or I can use the line offset. Now with the push and pull, we will remove this part. Now let's create the plinth under the kitchen cabinets. Again, you can use the ruler tool or the line offset. Now with the push and pull, we'll push it in under the cabinets. Click on Done, and now we can start adding our cabinet shutters. Choose the shutter that you want to use, resize it, and use the clone tool if you want to use more of the same. Now we will place the hood and the range, and then we will continue to add more cabinets. I will use this one and then I will change the texture to stainless steel. Now I will click on our kitchen base to modify it, and I will create an opening for the range. Now I will use the guidelines to measure the position of the hood. Now we can continue to add more cabinet doors. Now it's time to create the kitchen island. We will use the same technique as we used for the kitchen. So first, create a base with the Create New Product tool and then add cabinet doors. Now we can add some worktops. I've also added a pantry for the kitchen, and now it's time to change the textures, add open shelvings, add some accessories, and finish off the kitchen. And that's how the kitchen looks after rendering. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.